We were lucky to have Katrina be part of the project and give us some of her luck. With him, he's attracted both kinds of media reporting. अगर मैं सलमान भाई की जगह पे होता तो मैं ज़रूर arrogant और पागल हो जाता. This is why God gives him so much, because he has so much grace. When I see you, I get visuals of you looking for your prawn-flavored chips. I think we made an all-audience film. It's a pure Hindi film. Hi, this is Atul Agnihotri and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
ये वो ईद पे पिक्चर आ रही है ना?
कौन सी?
बॉडीगार्ड.
बॉडीगार्ड.
Well, we have with us the hottest producer in town, Atul Agnihotri, whose film Bodyguard is releasing shortly, and tremendous anticipation about the film. Wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama, quite some time, in fact.
Yeah, thank you for the very grand introduction.
You know, I think it's absolutely true that the kind of response the promos have been getting. Off Bodyguard, we've got a theatrical trailer, almost 5 lakh video views so far. Other promos have been getting a fantastic response on Bollywood Hungama. There's a huge buzz around the film. It's a Salman Khan film after 2 super hits blockbusters like Dabangg and Ready. Obviously, it has to be like really, really hot.
Thankfully so. I think it's got to do a lot with how Bhai's been doing in the box office, and there's a great expectation that's good for the film. That I think any film would wish that. So it's nice that there is an awareness. We have a ready audience waiting. So we feel in a positive way pressure that we have to perform. We shouldn't let the audience down. We shouldn't let Salman's fans down.
मैं एक बॉडीगार्ड हूँ. मेरी ड्यूटी के अलावा ना मुझे कुछ दिखाई देता है, ना मुझे कुछ सुनाई देता है.
इनफैक्ट आपका जो रिलीज़ है वो ईद पर है, एंड ईद पर पिछले 2 सालों से वांटेड एंड दबंग दे सलमान की बहुत ही बड़ी हिट्स रही हैं. दैट इज़ अनदर वेरी पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट.
Actually, we started this movie before Dabangg, and before Dabangg, definitely ईद का फिनोमेना भाई के साथ तो था ही, but I think after Dabangg it became more. So we had already started, we had already decided to come on Eid, but post Dabangg, the Eid date became the best date possible to release a film with Bhai, I think.
बॉडीगार्ड.
प्रोमोज में आपके जो डायलॉग्स जो सामने आए हैं कि मुझ पर एक एहसान करना, कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान ना करना, और मैं मारता कम हूँ घसीटता ज़्यादा हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा मकबूल हो रहा है. कैसा लगता है आपको?
अच्छा है. It's nice, people have liked it. Bhai's character speaks like that in the film. So it's a little of everything that is there.
मेरी एक खासियत है कि मैं मारता कम हूँ और घसीटता ज़्यादा.
In fact, in the recent times, we've seen that Salman has been giving a lot of inputs of his own. Say in Dabangg, many of the punchy dialogues which came about, even Ready, many of the punchy dialogues, it was said that Salman had written them. So over here, has Salman's inputs been there?
Yeah, inputs are there definitely. He's a thinking actor. He's a contributing actor. Been inspired by the film. He's been looking forward to this film. He's, I think, given his 110%. Mostly works big time.
मैंने जो एक बार कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
I think it's become a regular norm. I think in Salman Khan movies that there will be some punchy dialogues. We saw in Ready as well.
जिंदगी में 3 चीज कभी अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं करना. I, me and myself.
Now, is this dialogue मुझ पे एक एहसान करना, has it been written by Salman himself or is the dialogue writers?
Yes, it is.
Salman has written the dialogue.
Yes, it is.
मारता कम हूँ घसीटता जाता हूँ.
वो ऐसे सारे लाइन जनरली इन्हीं से आते हैं.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पर कोई एहसान ना करना.
But that works because it's a verbal way of showing that attitude that he's trying to project. Audience पसंद भी करती है, और dialogue बाजी हिंदी फिल्मों का हमेशा एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा रही है. I think my father-in-law has written some of the greatest dialogues.
And आजकल हम लोग एक ये ट्रेंड भी देखने में आया है कि I think in 70s 80s के जो डायलॉग्स का जो बिग डायलॉग्स they used to really create an impact. तालियां बजना, सीटियां बजना. I think दबंग से वो दौर फिर से शायद वापस आया मेरे ख्याल से. सिंघम में हम लोगों ने रिसेंटली देखा था तालियां बजना, सीटियां बजना.
नहीं होती है. I mean, गदर में भी हुआ था, और जैसे ऐसी फिल्में होती जहाँ मासिस का हीरो where they feel the identification, where they feel जब हीरो मार रहा है तो हम मार रहे हैं, तो वहाँ definitely the response is different. When you make multiplex kind of movies, then the audience reaction is such. I think we made an all-audience film. It's a pure Hindi film.
There is a certain perception that maybe your promotions have started a bit late. Your first promo came out on 22nd July with Singham. Your movie is releasing on 31st August. Like it's like a 40-45 day window period. Generally, like a Dabangg, the promos came out much earlier. I believe it was almost a 2-month window that they had. Even same with Reddy as well. The promos, the Dinka Chika and Character Trailer, they came much before the actual release of the film. And now there is a tremendous anticipation for songs like Teri Meri. I Love You, I think has got on very well as well. But we still don't know when the promos are releasing and your film is releasing on 31st August.
Well, they'll be out this Sunday.
Teri Meri is coming this Sunday?
All the audio will be out this Sunday. Maybe we are a week here and there, but we're not stressing about it. Because by the grace of God, the awareness is there. People are aware. We didn't really need to panic to establish that there was a film like this coming on Eid. The movie-going audience, the avid viewer, he's aware.
No, there is no doubt about the fact that the anticipation, as I said in the beginning, there is a huge anticipation, and one does not doubt the fact that आपकी जो opening लगने वाली है वो phenomenal होएगी, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. But still, there is a perception that I believe you guys have been shooting till the last minute. In fact, the Katrina song was shot recently in late July.
Yeah, but it's not last minute as in from the movie point of view. Sure. The movie was complete a month ago. After the movie is complete, you tend to improvise. This title song was an addition that initially we had recorded the track from a promotional point of view. We were going to shoot it as a promotional song. That's why it stayed till the end. But the track was so rocking, and it turned out you connect the track with the lyrics, with Bhai's image. We thought we should incorporate. That's the only reason why that went down to the end. We were lucky to have Katrina be part of the project and give us some of her luck.
Bodyguard!
And I believe Katrina has said that she's very fond of your wife, Alvira.
Oh, we're all very fond of her. It's mutual. It's really nice that she's done it. It is the title, it is the introduction, and anything that you add to enhance, it's for the viewer. It's not for us. It's not a home video. It's for the viewer. So we're only trying to cater harder to please the audience, and definitely by her being there, it adds that.
Rumors doing the rounds that Karishma Kapoor, apparently she's having some cameo, maybe she's doing a voiceover in the film. What exactly is the truth on that?
There's no truth to that. There are more stories in the market than things that are happening here, but I think it's all for the good. That I haven't been blessed by that kind of curiosity before, and this time that I'm receiving it for my product, for my film that I'm part of. So if people are interested, they're asking questions, they're speculating. In publicity, there's always the good, bad, ugly, everything. It's part of the package. ठीक है, जो भी है बढ़िया है.
तो करिश्मा किसी कैपेसिटी में क्या अप्रोच किया गया था उनको?
नहीं.
तो ये सिर्फ एक रूमर है.
ये रूमर है.
अगर आप अपनी म्यूजिक के बारे में आप कहना चाहें, आई थिंक म्यूजिक का जनरली बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स है. मासी, आई थिंक देसी बीट और बॉडीगार्ड जो टाइटल ट्रैक है वो एक बहुत ही मास ऑडियंस को कैटर करते हैं. आई लव यू एंड आई थिंक तेरी मेरी इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, एंड दोनों जो हैं बहुत ही एक आई थिंक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाने हैं. कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आपको मिला जनरली गानों के लिए?
रिस्पॉन्स तो बढ़िया है. आई बीन सर्फिंग योर site every day, checking, reaction is positive, is encouraging. I think so far so good. तेरी मेरी तो हमने अभी तक विजुअल रिलीज नहीं किया है और ऑलरेडी लोगों में इतनी चाह है उस ट्रैक के लिए. टाइटल ट्रैक का लोगों को अच्छा लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं एल्बम का जो चेहरा होता है वो टाइटल ट्रैक ही बनता है. तो टाइटल ट्रैक का लोगों को अच्छा लगना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तेरी मेरी जो है वो एक ऐसी क्रिटिकल पॉइंट पे आता है लव स्टोरी पे where the emotions are at the highest. तो that's an awaited song, then that's great. It'll only add or enhance.
When is it breaking on air?
We should send the tapes out on Sunday, Monday. I think it'll take a couple of days to upload. I'm not really having to look into that. That's sure. By having Reliance as our partners, that there's a lot of strategizing that they help out in big time. And I Love You is our favorite. We've loved it. It was the first track we did, and since that song was shot, through the making of the movie, because it's in montages, small cuts, there's a progression. So we shot a little bit in the first schedule, then second, then third, then fourth. So it's a little baby that came along while we were filming. So played so many times on the set, and it just became, you know.
I think it's a very nice song, and it's there in the theatrical as well. It immediately catches attention. I spoke to Himesh and I said that बड़ा अच्छा गाना है, तो ये said कि वो मैंने नहीं compose किया, प्रीतम ने compose किया. Himesh Reshammiya coming in as a music composer very late in the day.
The situation that had happened was a genuine situation, and I salute Pritam Da and Himesh ji that they've been so graceful about it. Everybody has looked at it as a film. That's important. What's good for the film should go. And yes, it's an awaited release. Everybody's going to be on the lookout for this one. So whatever works best, you know. And both Pritam Da is doing another film. He's doing Ekta Tiger with Bhai. And it's a continued relationship. Ultimately, our fraternity is a very small place. And Himesh also, after I think a year, 2 years, he has come out. So it was really nice that he put his best foot forward, and he's given us some killer tracks.
Salman apparently has composed one song as well. That's what the news is, that he has.
Composing is a big credit to give, but definitely he has been instrumental in initiating the thought process.
Which song is it? Teri Meri.
Teri Meri, yeah. Like every team member in his own right contributes to the film, but that doesn't take away from what Himesh did, or I don't think you can move a composer title off. I mean, I've done a couple of projects with him as an actor and directed him, but this time the energy is fantastic.
That is showing.
Yeah, and I think it's really nice for it to be a family production, to get the best of him. For us, it's great memories. It's great it worked out like this from all fronts.
Bodyguard.
बिल्कुल, आपने कहा कि आप बहुत ही आपका अच्छा तजुर्बा रहा उनके साथ में काम करने का, सलमान के साथ में पहले भी आपने काम किया है. जैसे जब स्टोरीज आती हैं, स्पेकुलेशंस होते हैं, र्यूमर्स उड़ते हैं, एक मैं न्यूज़ स्टोरी के बारे में आपसे बात करना चाहूँगा, बिकॉज आई थिंक आपका क्लैरिफिकेशन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है उसमें. देयर वाज अ स्टोरी इन अ मुंबई टैबलॉइड रिसेंटली एंड विच सेड दैट आफ्टर द ह्यूज सक्सेस ऑफ रेडी एंड दबंग, सलमान इज ऑन अ हाई हॉर्स एंड ही जस्ट इज फ्लाइंग हाई राइट नाउ, एंड काफ़ी उनमें एक एरोगेंस आ गई है, एंड कहीं ना कहीं उनका एक अनप्रोफेशनल रवैयों की वजह से बॉडीगार्ड की जो शूटिंग है वो डिले हुई. इट गॉट डिलेड बिकॉज ऑफ द एंटायर स्टफ. आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं जब इस तरीके की आप खबरें पढ़ते हैं सलमान के बारे में?
हम तो रिएक्ट ही नहीं करते, ज़्यादा करके हम पढ़ते भी नहीं ऐसे आर्टिकल, बिकॉज विद हिम ही इज अट्रैक्टेड बोथ काइंड्स ऑफ मीडिया रिपोर्टिंग ऑन हिम. समटाइम्स देयर इज लॉट ऑफ फॉन्डनेस, समटाइम्स they start dissecting it, I think beyond necessary. He's a thorough professional. He's done over 100 movies. He knows what he's doing. He knows time frame. लेकिन एक बात ज़रूर है, अगर मैं सलमान भाई की जगह पे होता तो मैं ज़रूर arrogant और पागल हो जाता. But to see him, in spite of having achieved so much, and to see all that adulation, and to see everything, and to see such a normal, such a level-headed person is, for me, has always been a very inspiring thing to see. So many times I felt that this is why God gives him so much, because he has so much grace, he has so much compassion. So these are the things that never come in the work, and especially for a film, you know, that's close to his heart, something that he wants to do. In fact, the last 3 months, he's only shot for Bodyguard.
Exactly, because he's not having any film after this.
He's doing that, yeah. He's doing one project at a time. That's great, because he tries to innovate in his look now, which I think is great for the maker. It's great for the director. It's great for the production, basically, that you get an actor dedicated 6 months or 5 months to finish a film. So everybody's in the zone for that time.
आपका प्रमोशनल प्लान्स आपके क्या हैं अतुल, इन द सेंस आपके प्रोमोस कैसे आपके आएंगे, उसके अलावा और आप कैसे कौन-कौन सी सिटीज़ में आप लोग जाने वाले हैं, एंड व्हाट एल्स आर यू डूइंग?
There are too many requests, so we're just seeing what all we can do. Mainly what we do will be in the last 10 days, I think, before release.
Okay, and the promo of Teri Meri, you're saying that it's coming approximately...
It'll come next week.
Say around 8th, 9th, you're saying?
Today we are already on to the 4th. 8th may be cutting it too close. 8th it'll be out from our hands, but I think to actually get on air it takes a couple of days after that.
And a Bodyguard title track?
Also. Teri Meri should go first, I think. Then Bodyguard title track should come at the end.
At the end, in the sense, the last week of August, or
There won't be much difference between Teri Meri and all, but we'd like to drop Teri Meri first.
and dialogue promos are flowing in apart from that.
But that's a more last 2 week phenomenon. That's your driver to release.
Any premiere happening? Are you going to other cities?
Like I said, there's a lot of offers, but we'll have to see carefully where to. Because whatever we do, we want to do well. We just don't want to run all around the place. So there are certain centers which, like Bombay, Delhi, like there are these certain centers that one should do because that's where media is based by default. So it's easier to connect. Because it's Eid. There's a lot of overseas
Exactly, that's what I was
inquiries.
coming to. That's what I was coming to. Dabang had a huge response overseas. With Ready?
We're going to do the balancing act.
Bodyguard.
Atul, we've taken some questions from your fans on Twitter.
Fans, fans.
Yeah. You've been an actor. You've Naraz, one of my favorite films of Atul Agnihotri, with Mithun Chakravarti.
Yeah,
Working with Kareena Kapoor, how was that experience?
fantastic. Everybody talks about Kareena and Jab We Met and her performance, and it's out of all her films but I think in this film she's gone way beyond, and you know that actor family that she comes from, that grooming, that maturity in delivering the performance. I think this film is par excellence from what she's done.
I think I Love You song में जिस तरीके से वो imitate कर रही हैं सलमान को, I think that's pretty interesting. But you know, there is still this perception कि यार since it is now Salman is such a huge star right now, that the film will be totally centering around Salman, तो उसमें करीना का performance के लिए कितना scope होगा?
The heart is of a love story, this film. So अभी लड़की नहीं होगी तो love story बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. It's a boy-girl, beautiful story, and it's not like it's a vendetta story of a hero and the girl is incidentally there, or it's a sub-track or just for songs. It's not one of those kind of films. In fact, the reason why we all got together, the reason why I was able to put the film together is because the story is so beautiful. The story nearly, you can say, is the girl's story. So you can't do it without Kareena.
And you work with Karishma in Aatish. And I'm sure that you must have seen Kareena grow up somewhere in front of you as well.
Yeah, I told her, I said, when I see you, I get visuals of you looking for your prawn-flavored chips in Mauritius. Because she was a little baby, she had come with Karishma. But time flies. Even when I see my own children, I say, what happened? When did you grow up? So, time flies.
Bodyguard.